Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing whether or not all foreigners need insurance in Thailand. I got to thinking about this reading an article from Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Do All Foreigners Need, the article is titled, Grapevine Only the Rich, quoting directly, all foreigners except work permit holders under the Social Security blanket need some sort of medical insurance to enter the country. But many policies have very limited cover, and tourists are being warned they have to make up the difference if illness occurs. You don't need insurance for extensions of stay on most visas, but the same warning applies. In Thailand, if you don't have insurance coverage and you get sick and you have to go to the hospital, you have to pay your bills, so that's first of all. As far as all foreigners, and they go on to say you don't need insurance for extensions of stay on most visas. Well, yeah, all foreigners, not to get semantic here, but to parse this out, yes, with the exception of work permit holders as noted, if you're coming into Thailand, there are certain COVID insurance requirements presently. These only exist under the emergency decree. Presuming the emergency decree is repealed, and this has been discussed rather frequently and specifically under the auspices of this thing being declared endemic, should that occur, the emergency decree gets repealed, and you're now dealing with the rules as they were before, and there's no insurance requirement under the standard rules, under the pre-emergency decree, status quo anti-COVID first quarter of 2020. So understand that first. Secondly, yes, when traveling to Thailand from abroad, there may be a COVID insurance requirement. As noted here, though, extension of stay may not require that. So as we've seen, for example, retirees, when they're extending their status here in Thailand, they don't need insurance, to do that. That's just not part of the requirements. And there are a number of other, marriage visa holders, business visa holders who extend their status. I mean, when you extend your status in Thailand, it's not necessarily required. So, I think it's safe to say nearly all foreigners when coming into Thailand may need insurance, but to stay in Thailand, that is far from the case.